Hello, hi everyone, welcome back in my another video. So in this video I will explain how you can block your application in mobile device and desktop. Okay, and what do you want and where you want. Okay, so we are blocking this application in mobile device, so no one able to use this application in mobile device. So we need to create a block screen. Okay, for the block screen create, we need to insert here success screen. You can insert direct success screen, it's I think fine. Okay, and you need to type here mobile. You can give the screen name what do you want. Okay, so I'm give the mobile block screen, and here I need to change the text. This application please use okay, and here we need to choose the here we need to change the color icon. Okay, first we need to change the icon. Okay, I'm changed my icon as a close, and here is circle option, and you need to change the circle color as a red. Okay, now it's perfect. Now this is our application, and whenever user use this application in mobile, it's automatically block in mobile. Okay, so how you can block it in mobile? So basically we need to use here start screen formula. Okay, so you need to go on app property, and here is a start screen option, and here you need to put the formula. The formula is if app dot, then you need to select the width. Okay, if app dot width is below 700. Okay, so it's total I think 1300. Okay, so our app, let me check the width of my application. You can check from here. Here you able to view the total width of 1366. Okay, so it's half. For mobile we use basically 700. Okay, so if a mobile is this application width below 700, then automatically navigate on mobile block screen. Mobile block screen, and otherwise it's navigate on laptop submit screen. Laptop submit forum. Okay, so this formula you need to use. If you want to block in mobile, then you need to put this formula. If you want to block in laptop and desktop, then you need to use here the above icon. Okay, so we use here the down arrow. Now we need to publish our application, and type here mobile block testing. Okay, save it, and then let me publish it. Okay, once you publish, then you need to check in your applications, go to PowerApps. So we open this application here. Now you can check it's working here in desktop, and now let me open this application in my mobile device. Okay, so if I'm open this application in my mobile device, it's showing block. Okay, it's showing block screen. So let me open it. So मैंने इस एप्लीकेशन को अपने मोबाइल डिवाइस में ओपन किया, एंड here is showing this application block in mobile device. Please use in desktop or laptop. ओके। सो इस तरीके से आप अपना एप्लीकेशन यहाँ पे ब्लॉक कर सकते हो, डेस्कटॉप एंड वो मोबाइल, इफ मोबाइल में करना चाहो तो मोबाइल में, इफ डेस्कटॉप में करना चाहो तो डेस्कटॉप में। नाउ आई नीड टू ब्लॉक इन डेस्कटॉप, है ना। सो डेस्कटॉप में ब्लॉक करने के लिए आपको क्या करना है, डायरेक्टली इन गो टू योर पावर एप्स एंड हियर यू नीड टू चूज द एरो, you need to use this one, and here if our app with about the 700, then mobile automatically navigate on mobile block screen, so it's automatically navigate on this screen. So here is showing this one. So basically this one for only desktop. Okay, so let me publish it. Okay, once you publish it, then it will be take I think 1 minutes for publish, and here is showing new version of this app is coming. Let me wait. It's now done, and now here is showing this application block in mobile device, please use in desktop or mobile. So you can change the text according, and if above the 700 then you can use here in mobile device. Okay, सो इसी तरीके से आप अपना एप्लीकेशन मोबाइल डिवाइस में ब्लॉक कर सकते हैं एंड डेस्कटॉप में ब्लॉक कर सकते हैं. सो इफ़ यू नीड एनी हेल्प प्लीज लेट मी नो. थैंक यू सो मच.